Hey everyone. Sorry it's my face and not cute Gizmo's. I just wanted to give you an update on him. So most of you know Gizmo's story and know that he was confined to a cage. And I've been telling you all along, he can't fly. Turns out he can. He just doesn't know how. And about 4 days ago, he got spooked and he flew high. And it took us some time to get him down. The next day, he thought he'd give it another go, and he hit our blinds because we have them shut, and he hit the floor hard. For about 10 minutes, his left foot was like paralyzed. He couldn't. It was all like this, and since then, he's not spoken. For 3 whole days, I've not heard my Gizmo's voice, and it's killing me. He has a vet's tomorrow. Our avian vet is off sick, so she will be back tomorrow, and he has an appointment to get checked out. We don't know what's wrong with him. We don't know whether this is trauma or if this is pain, but hopefully we'll get those answers tomorrow. I just need my best friend back. He's like my animal soulmate, and he's my happiness, and I miss him. And I know some of you, he's just a bird, but he's not. He is my best friend. It's those little things you take for granted, and I cannot wait for him to say Mum beats me again. I can't wait for that. I want you to know that we're doing everything we can. I know there's so many of you that love him, so I want to thank you all for supporting us, and we'll keep you updated. All right, you take care.